everyone, welcome back to our channel. You are watching SP Blossoms and I am Simran. In today's makeup tutorial, I have created this glam party makeup look that fits every occasion and almost every dress. Whether you are wearing an Indian attire or a Western one, whether you are attending a day function or a night function, this goes very well. This makeup look carries glossy eyes and nude lips, which is quite simple yet glamorous. Hope you will keep this look in mind whenever you want to look classy without putting up too much makeup. So let's see how I have created this look in this tutorial altogether.
I will start with prepping up my skin, for which I will be using this Color Bar primer and apply it on my face to close all the pores. Next, to conceal my under eyes and dark spots, I have used this orange concealer and dab it with the Beauty Blender. Now, to highlight my face, I will be using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige and dab it with the Beauty Blender. Now comes the last part of our base, for which I will be using this Lakme Absolute Mousse in the shade Rose Fair and apply it evenly with the help of a foundation brush. Now it's the time for contouring, for which I will be using an empty lipstick which is of brown shade and applying it with the help of a contouring brush and smudge it evenly so that there are no harsh lines. Next, I will buff up this loose powder from Maybelline Fit Me range. It is in the shade Light number 15. Next, I will be using the Savannah Colors blush palette and applying light pink on the apples of my cheeks. I will be using this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette to create my glam party makeup look. I have used this dark brown shade from the palette to create transition on both the eyelids. Now I will be taking this bronze shade from the palette and apply it on both the lids with the help of an eyeshadow brush. Now I will use my ring finger to apply another shade on the previous one. Next, I will be applying this Wet n Wild highlighter on top of my cheekbones and my T-zone as well. Now I will be applying a pencil kajal on the lower waterline and with the pen eyeliner, I will be drawing eyeliner on the upper and lower eyelids. Finish the look off with your favorite mascara. So my glam eyes are all ready. I'll finish this glam party makeup look with the nude lipstick from PAC Cosmetics.
So you can see guys, I have created this look with all the products that I have mentioned in the tutorial and in the description box below. Moreover, these are the drugstore products that are available with every girl. The end result is very beautiful and I bet you girls this look suits you as well. So do give it a try. Moreover, this is my first time that I've applied an under eye eyeliner and I love the overall look. As you know, our all tutorials are quite instant and easy. So this is also an easy to go makeup look जिसका end result बहुत ही अच्छा आया है. आप ज़रूर try करना है इसको. Do hit the like button and also put down your comments. Till then, lots of love from ST Blossoms. Bye bye.